In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking in Asana, 5 minutes. Let's start by getting into Asana. Open your browser and head to the Asana login page. Enter your email address, click continue, and then enter your password to log in. If your workspace uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, follow those prompts as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana homepage. Next, choose the project where you want to track time. From the project view, look toward the top right and click Customize. This is where you control what information appears in your project. In the panel that opens, find the Field section and click Add. From the available options, select Time Your Work. Asana will instantly add two fields to your project: estimated time and actual time. Here's what they do. Estimated time is where you set a target for how long a task or subtask should take. Click into that field on any task to enter a value like 30 for 30 minutes or 2ish for 2 hours. This helps you plan work, communicate expectations, and compare effort across tasks. Try adding estimates at the start of the week so your team has a realistic workload picture. Actual time is where you capture how long the work really takes. You can type it in manually after the fact or use Asana's built-in timer. To track live, open a task and click the timer icon in the actual time field to start. Let it run while you work. When you wrap up or pause, stop the timer, and Asana will record the duration for that task. This is especially helpful for tasks that span multiple sessions because it lets you capture time accurately without guessing later. A few tips to keep things smooth. Make sure both fields are visible in your current project view. If you don't see them, check the Customize panel again and confirm they're toggled on. Use consistent formatting for estimates and actuals so reporting stays clean. If you rely heavily on subtasks, remember these fields can be filled there too, giving you a more granular picture of effort. And if you're collaborating with others, agree on when to estimate and when to track so your data is comparable across the team. That's it. Log in, open your project, customize, add fields, choose time your work, and start using estimated time and actual time to plan and track. With this setup, you'll quickly spot where work is over or underestimated and make smarter decisions for future projects.